Hello. I'm shooting a week in my life. Look at the weather. It's shiny, man. Oh my god. I'm having a birthday shooting right now. So stay tuned. This will take me a long time to finish the editing. I'm doing a week in my life. A week in my life. This includes a lot of details. Shooting in Eastern, walking videos, travels and everything. This includes a lot. So please stay tuned. And if you just join, or if you just subscribe to this channel, I'm posting this as a sneak preview of what I'm doing. So you probably see me in this location. You probably see this location in the week in my life. Right, so see you. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe though, because there's more content, raw content coming. This is just a sneak preview or sneak view or sneak peek. Yeah, right.